This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. This is the perfect place to call home. Corner unit rarely available. Beautifully redesigned, contemporary townhouse offers the ideal floor plan. Spacious living areas downstairs with tons of natural light, unique to the corner units from so many extra windows. Bright kitchen is open to the family room overlooking the lovely private patio area, perfect for enjoying weekend barbecues. Upstairs the bedrooms provide plenty of space and closets for extra storage. Other features include washer and dryer upstairs, brand new water heater, 2 parking spaces, and lovely fixtures. Excellent location and amenities to include clubhouse, pools, play area, and gym. For more information, review the details below.